Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Crystal DIY. In this channel is all about soap making business, side hustle. If you want new business idea or grow your soap making business, then this channel is for you. We carry out business research, turn it into a video after experimenting it, and we render the best training and mentorship to equip our students. Our goal is to build a family of successful entrepreneurs. So in today's episode, I'm going to teaching you guys how to make an activated aloe vera and honey soap. All these soap are all these ingredients are very good to the skin. It's quite a melt and pour soap formulation. That is what we are going to make. We've already made the soap base that we are going to use for this production. I'm going to link I'm going to drop the link of this video in the description below, so you will go and learn how to make a soap base. This is activated aloe vera and honey soap. All of us know what activated charcoal does to the skin. It's very good to the skin, and it's very soothing, hydrating, and so on and so forth. It's very good, and also remove dirty to the skin. It's very good to the skin. Yes, so that is the kind of soap we are going to make today using melt and pour method. So follow me through as we go on to say how we make this beautiful soap. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like my video, most especially like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video to people that might need this video. Yes. So I'll start off by using my knife to cut this soap base. I'm going to cut it little by little, small pieces, small pieces, for it to be the reason why I'm cutting it is for it to be very easy to melt. Why melting it on double boil? Do you know what is double boiling method? Double boiling is when you use, after cutting your soap base, you melt it on fire. Most especially glycinated soap base, melt it on fire. And while melting this soap, you can as well add ethanol to it to help to dissolve the granules. You know, ethanol is being used for this soap base. If you watch this soap base, you see that I use ethanol to make this soap, and the reason why I use ethanol is for the soap granules to mix, to dissolve very well. So if you're dissolving this one as well, after mixing it, you add it ethanol for it to dissolve very well. So I'm going to double boil it. I'm going to put it on fire on a pot, add in water, small water, and cook it on a heat. Yes, if you have microwave, it's quite interesting. You can use it to be very easy to dissolve. But for some of us that doesn't have microwave, you can do this as I'm doing that. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm still begging you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. So the next ingredients we are using is aloe vera. Is good for skincare formulation. It has a soothing, hydrating, healing properties, and it gels contains vitamins and minerals. It helps to brighten the skin, and also antioxidants. And also honey is that it has a natural moisturizing, healing, and antibacterial properties which help the skin also. These are three powerful ingredients that I'm going to use for this production. We are using activated charcoal, honey, and almighty aloe vera. Is a very good ingredients for skincare, for taking care of your skin. So first of all, I'm going to blend this my aloe vera. After blending it, I will get the gel in it and use it for this production. So this is me cutting it, though I'm sorry, after dissolving the soap base, I forgot to turn in my, what is it called, my camera, so I didn't show the part that I added. It didn't show, so I'm sorry, I'm so sorry for this, guys. Please forgive me, and I can't start afresh and getting it to show you guys, so that is why I'm begging, please forgive me. I forgot to turn on my camera while making this. So after grinding it, if you have a blender, it will do a very good job for you. But if you don't have a blender, you can use mortar and pestle and grind it and get your aloe vera gel for your production. So I'm going to head into the heat and melt it. This is our activated charcoal, and this is our oil. Two powerful ingredients for this production. Yes, and now our soap base is we have melted it, and we are going to add in our activated charcoal. I've added, like I said earlier, I've added in my aloe vera gel. Sorry, I didn't turn on my camera while doing that. I forgot. I thought I on it, but it seems that it wasn't recording and all that. I'm so sorry. So after adding it, my mold is already set. I'm using a silicone mold, so I'm going to add in my honey to this soap. I'm going to add in my honey to this soap. After adding my honey, I'm going to pour it, and our soap is ready. I'm going to leave it for a day or 2 days. You start with this production. In case you're mixing it and it's not mixing very well on fire, you can make use of ethanol. I've told you guys to fasten the melting. Yes. So after melting it, you pour it ethanol to hasten it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel or like my video, share this video to people that might need it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking by. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for everything. Without you, Crystal DIY will not be here today. Thank you so much. This is our beautiful soap, and it's ready for use. This is it. You can make this soap for use, you can make it for business and package and sell to people. You can make this soap from scratch, and you can make it through melt and pour. I think this melt and pour is a very easy